In the papers today, the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee voted to keep monetary policy steady yesterday, with the base rate at its historical low of 0.5% in gilt purchases at £375 billion. The base rate has now been below 1% for more than 5 years. The Co-op Bank will today face fresh questions over its future as it announces losses for last year of as much as £1.3 billion. The troubled lender is belatedly publishing its annual report and accounts. They are expected to highlight mounting losses as the bank attempts to raise £400 million after being hit by hundreds of millions of pounds in new mis-selling compensation claims. In other news, a first-time buyer needs a salary of almost £40,000 to afford an average mortgage across Britain, new figures suggest. The typical entrant in the housing market took out a loan of £119,000 in February, out of reach to those earning the national average salary of £26,500. Desperate not to be priced out as values escalate, the number of young homeowners acquiring loans has soared over the past 12 months, according to the CML. Pressure is rising on the Bank of England to take decisive action to cool Britain's housing market after research showed that house prices have again hit a record high. A resurgence of confidence among buyers has pushed the average house price in England and Wales up by £17,500 to £262,291 in the past 12 months, the highest annual rise recorded since September 2010, according to LSL Property Services. Older women are being forced out of teaching because schools consider them stale, a union claimed yesterday. The NUT's Easter Conference will call on heads to end discrimination against women with symptoms of the menopause. The union said sick leave records and measures to test a teacher's competency are being unfairly used to target menopausal women. Meanwhile, a separate survey from Age UK and Carers UK found older women are also being frozen out of the jobs market. This is because of caring responsibilities, leading to calls for more to be done to help them to work flexibly.